What is good, YouTube? It's your boy whypree, and I'm back with another video, man. In today's video, we're gonna do a little review on this chain right here, man. So I just want to give a big shout out to the Gold Supply. You feel me? Thank you for letting me be a part of this program and partnership. I mean, I really appreciate it. You feel me? And let's continue. But let's get straight to the video, man. Let's get it.
Got time for God, got time for mom, but don't got no time for no silly hoe. Watch cause a brick, I drop a dime. Round your head if you want some smoke. I got a gun, you got a fist. I think you know how this gonna go. I am the bomb, I am the shit, but I didn't come from no toilet bowl. Now down back out, I'm take the cash route, I'm smashed out. I be the back out, I was locked up getting packed.
If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Road to 500, let's get it. So we got this chain from the Gold Supply. As you can see, we shining. You feel me? This is a 22-inch Cuban chain with the cross pendant. Yeah, so as you can see, I look fly and everything. You know, I got it on. It goes with anything. You feel me? It matches. You drop a gold watch with it, you scream. You feel me? So let's go ahead and get into the packaging, man. And the packaging comes in this black pouch right here. You feel me? A real authentic, you know, feels nice, looks good. You feel me? And it stands out because it got the Gold Supply logo on the front, and it just makes it looks great. You feel me? So that's the packaging. Other than the packaging, the pendant came in this bag right here, this little clear bag, and the chain came in this little bag right here, which on it says 22 stainless steel. So right there, it'll let you know that this right here is a 22 stainless steel chain, Cuban. And me with my cross pendant. Yeah, man, so we shining. And if you go on the website at thegoldsupply.com, I'll put it right here, link in the description as well. If you go on there and you look for this chain specifically, it's gonna cost you about $100. So you can pay $100 up front, or you can do partial payments. It's up to you, whichever budget you're on, man. And then they got other stuff too, not just this Cuban here or this cross chain. Let me show you. They also got a tennis chain, and I'm a fan of the tennis chain, so let me show you. They also got these right here. You feel me? They also got these right here. You know, they got a variety of stuff that you can pick from, and the collection's really, it's a really good collection, and it's really nice. And I really like it. So let's see if this tells. No, it doesn't. It doesn't, but you can see how long it is. Like single stack. Like you can see how long this is. Yeah, you can see how long this is. So I'm pretty sure this is either 22 or 24 inch. But yeah, man, they got these in bracelets as well if you want. And they also got a lot of different pendants. They also got a lot of different pendants, so it's not just this specific pendant here. You know, you can get a lot of different pendants if you want. But this, I really like this, and I had it on since yesterday. It has a little weight to it, but at the same time, it's so small. Big shout out to the Gold Supply, man. It's your boy whypree. I give this chain 100 out of 100, 10 for 10, whatever you want to call it. 5 stars, whatever, man. The Gold Supply, yeah. Go shop, man. Tell them whypree sent you. You know, diamond shining. It makes you look good. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and stay tuned for new videos. Sir Snap just dropped his EP, No Face, No Case. So make sure y'all go check that out. link in description. I'm put all the links in the description, so make sure y'all go check that out, man. And if you want this chain, like I said, go to the Gold Supply, link in description, and cop this chain for $100 or $25 for like 4 weeks. Alright? And you gonna be fly just like me. We gonna be fly. We gonna be the fly team. I'm OG, man, and I'm out. Gang.
Where the weed at? Where the smoke? I tell spliff, make my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, 20 in a ghost. Why do some boy them for know? When I take this on the road, think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby.